So let me tell you where we are at. You guys know we are renovating and restoring our old fixer-upper house. It needs a lot of work and we are overwhelmed with projects. We still have foundation work to do. We still have a roof that needs to get installed. We're working on tongue and groove boards to finish our bedroom. We have electrical and plumbing and just so many things happening all at once. We still need flooring in the bedroom, trim work. So, we've fallen behind schedule. We'd like to be in the bedroom by now so that we could be working on the other parts of the house. Everything's behind and we need help catching up. Now, we're not the type to ask for help, but we have a friend coming who's going to be helping us with the remodel and helping us get back on track to get this house done. So we're going to be hanging out here today, waiting for him to show up, and we'll introduce him when he arrives. So I'm going to start working on this ceiling. This is the last section of ceiling that we have to do with the wood boards. We're going to be doing a white tongue and groove ceiling. And just from this, what you can see, it's not much at all. So we have the boards already cut and processed. All we have to do is stain them and seal them. That's what I'm going to be doing now. Hopefully we can get these installed in the next day or so. Now while Ashley's getting the staining station set up, I want to show you that I did get a couple more boards up on the wall above the windows. So we're almost up there to the ceiling, which is why we have to start the ceiling so that we don't run out of space. It's got to go in first. Now I know that you guys are bored of the staining and the staining. No what?
Staining.
But at least we're not doing pink today. We're doing white. So that's a change.
Yeah.
And we're going to go through it quick. So hang in there. Don't leave just yet. Looks like he's here. Hey Stan. We're so glad you could come help us out. We have so much work to do. Why don't you come on in and take a look? So this is Stan. He is very knowledgeable about home renovation. He should be able to help us through this mess. And we're going to get our house done. We're going to get on the ball and get it all wrapped up. I'm excited to finish this bedroom, get working on the rest of the house, which will go easier and harder. It's complicated, but it's not monotonous. It's not going to be more wood like this. Now he's going to be staying with us for a while, so you'll probably see him in some of the videos coming up, and we just wanted to introduce you guys so you know who he is and why he's here and what he's doing, and that's that. So let's get working. Let's get back to the wood. The stain is dry, and we got our first coat of clear sealer applied. That's drying. Later tonight, we're going to get the second coat of clear sealer on, and then those boards are done. Tomorrow, we can have that ceiling installed if we work fast. So that's the goal. That's what we're working on tonight, tomorrow, is that ceiling. Our bedroom's gonna come together so quick. I'm excited. That means I gotta get online and start ordering some things because we still need supplies to get the outlets, the outlet covers, and start shopping for a floor. After the walls are done, really all that stuff comes next. Trim work, floor. It's a lot to think about, a lot to plan for, so I gotta get on top of it. Well, Ash, it's a new day, and
time to install the ceiling.
Yeah, the wood is all ready to go up, and Stan is here. One of you guys can hand the wood up.
Okay.
Let's see if I have enough room to do this here. There goes my socket set. So we want the groove side. We want the groove side. Yeah. That's all there is to it. We are down to the last board. This actually went really quick, even though it looked slow and painful, I'm sure. Our ceiling boards, they're really hard to install because our ceiling has been sitting for a while without wood on it. And we stuffed a lot of insulation in there, and the insulation is kind of sagging. If this was fiberglass or a soft insulation, no problem. But this is that rock wool. It's very dense, and it's pushing against the board. So we have to push really hard to force that insulation back up into the bay.
And it's hard to push up, like your arms get really fatigued quickly.
Yeah. But we overcame that. Once the insulation is pushed up, we're not worried about it. The boards will hold it fine. It's just sagging from being up there too long. But it's over with. Last board, let's hope it goes in smoothly. Get it on the
There we go. This is the end.
Oh, the end's a mess. Some more big progress was made today. I'm so happy to be finally done with the ceiling, and couldn't have done it without Stan. You seem pretty happy too.
Yeah.
This means we can finish our walls, finish the bedroom. It's going to be awesome. We're getting so much done now, and it feels good to be moving again. So, I guess we're going to wrap it up. That's all we have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.